Hi, my name is Tim Raines. I'm a director at Trustworthy Computing at Microsoft. I'm at the Cloud Security Alliance Congress this week in Orlando, Florida, and I'm joined by a senior security strategist in Trustworthy Computing, Laura Posey. Welcome, Laura.
Hi, Tim. How are you doing?
So you've been working very closely with a lot of other people inside the Cloud Security Alliance around standards and evaluation, baselines, and this type of thing. What can you tell us about that work?
That's been an amazing bit of work. What I think was most fascinating about it is how many large industry players, both cloud service providers as well as cloud customers as well, have contributed to this guideline, this basis and these guidelines. I say guidelines at this point because they aren't standards, but they are very much based on existing standards that already exist and have been accepted out in the industry. So it's a matter of mapping specific questions for cloud or specific security controls that can be asked of providers. Providers are able to then give a self-assessment of, we meet this baseline criteria. And I like to talk about this baseline criteria as an opening conversation. It's a way of a provider saying to a potential customer, hey, we meet these basic guidelines that were set forth by the Cloud Security Alliance. And with that, they can say, great, you already meet this baseline, now let's talk about what this product can do for me. So it's a really great opening statement and a way to have a baseline of, back to the baseline again, a baseline of saying, we meet the basic criteria to keep your data protected, safe, and accessible. These guidelines can then serve as a set of requirements that can be fed into these international standards organizations that they can use to evaluate how they're going to create new and existing standards that'll be in the industry.
So where can people learn more?
They can learn more from the cloudsecurityalliance.org, and they can look for the CCM, which is the Cloud Controls Matrix, or the CAI questions, which are the Consensus Assessment Initiative questions.
Thank you for your hard work on this initiative, and
thanks.
thank you for spending some time with us today.
It was my pleasure. Thank you.